Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna tell you now how to repair a bicycle's gears. If it's not fixing in one or any gears, I will solve the problem. Okay. First of all, if you have to look that here. This have to be screwed tight, or you have to loosen this. Then you have to pull this hard, then tighten this, then uh, it will be tight. Then you have to do is you have to look this and these screws. Look, this have to be like this. My cycle is Hero Sprint Phaser, is 6-gear cycle. Hero Sprint Phaser, it is 6-speed cycle. Okay, then your do is you have to pull the screws like this. One is like this, then this is like this. Turn is one of the best gears. And then you have to do this screw like this. Then this like this, as I have done now. Then you have to do is when you look here, you will see a screw here also. Look, the screw is here. You have to tighten maximum like this. Up to here you can tighten, fully tighten. You have to do like this. As I have done, you have to do like this. Then this screw have to be like this. Then this screw will like this. Before we done all these things, you have to put the gear at 6th. Wait, I'll show you. Like this. Now it's a 6th gear. Before you do all these things, you have to put this at 6. If it's not come at 6, we can do 5th, 3rd, or anything. If it is come at only 5th, you have to put only 5th, not 3rd or not 4th or 3rd. You have to put it 6th. Then you have to do the screws like this. One like this. This gives back. There is 2 screws. One will be like this and one will be like this. Then this screw would be maximum tighten like this. Then it will be okay. You have to put 6 before doing this all things. Then you have to do nothing and tighten this. Then I'll show you. Wait, I'll show you. Now it's 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd, and the first one. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, share maximum. If your gears have been worked successfully, please don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching. Before I'm quitting this video, you have to look that the front side, if there's also like this problem, you have to tight this. Then like this screws like this to be fully like this. this also you have to do in the first gear. Like this you have to when you do this, it will be go like this and this. You have to put in the first one, then it will go like this. You have to do straight, look straight, is straight. So then you can stop tightening or losing this, and then you can do this like this. Then you can turn it, it will be work. This when we do this fully, it will come from here to here, here to here. This one before I have done, it is here, then it will come to here. Then this is for adjusting it only. When you have to put this cyst, it is straight, this one to be here, straight down. Thanks for watching.